In this video, we're going to talk about two important ways to connect your on-premises systems to the cloud: AWS Direct Connect and AWS VPN. Organizations often need some hybrid networking options to extend their on-premises data centers to the cloud. This integration would deliver stronger disaster recovery capabilities, smoother application migration, and elastic bursting to handle peak demands, while also providing more secure and controlled access to cloud resources. Alright, let's start with AWS Direct Connect. You can think of Direct Connect as a dedicated, private, and physical network link between your data center and AWS. Instead of routing through the public internet, where traffic can be unpredicted, you can establish a direct physical connection using Direct Connect from AWS that bypasses the usual congestion and variability of internet-based paths. This means your workload communicates with AWS over a consistent, high-performance channel. To get started with Direct Connect, you usually coordinate with an AWS partner or supported network provider to establish a dedicated line from your data center to AWS. After that, you can do some configuration on your AWS environment, and eventually you'll have full back and forth connectivity between your on-premises network and your AWS VPC. Now let's move on to AWS VPN. You can think of AWS VPN as a secure tunnel over the public internet between your network and AWS. Instead of bypassing the internet entirely like Direct Connect, your traffic still travels through it, but every packet is fully encrypted. This ensures that even though your data moves across shared infrastructure, it remains protected and shielded from external access. AWS provides two main types of VPN connections: site-to-site VPN and client VPN. Site-to-site VPN links your entire office network or data center to AWS. Think of this as extending your private network into the cloud, so your AWS resources feel like they are sitting right inside your own building. On the other hand, client VPN is designed for individuals. For example, if an employee is working from home or traveling, they can install the client software on their laptop and they can log in securely and gain private access to AWS resources as if they were in the office. So both provide encrypted connections, but site-to-site is built for linking entire networks, while client VPN focuses on secure private access for individual users. Now the big question: when do you use Direct Connect and when do you use VPN? Go with Direct Connect when, on an ongoing basis, you constantly move massive datasets. For example, if you transfer terabytes or petabytes of backups, analytic workloads, or media libraries, Direct Connect provides the dedicated bandwidth to handle this efficiently. Another case is when you need predictable performance. For workloads where every millisecond counts, like financial trading, live streaming, or real-time analytics, Direct Connect gives you stable, low-latency connectivity without fluctuations of the public internet. The other case would be when you must meet strict security requirements. When handling sensitive or regulated data, Direct Connect keeps traffic on a private line, helping you meet compliance and security standards in a better way. And at last, when you're operating at enterprise scale. Because Direct Connect requires physical infrastructure and higher costs, it is best suited for large organizations that can afford and fully benefit from its long-term reliability. And you can choose VPN when you need fast setup. VPN can be launched in minutes through the AWS console without physical cabling, and making it great for urgent, temporary, or proof-of-concept projects, or for the times when you want to support remote employees, because VPN is ideal for staff working from home, traveling, or in branch offices. Since it encrypts their traffic and gives them secure access to AWS's resources, it's considered as a good solution. The other case would be when your data transfers are smaller or occasional. For light, irregular, or non-critical workloads, VPN is a cost-effective option without the need for a dedicated line. And most importantly, when you need a budget-friendly option. Because VPN runs over the public internet, it avoids the high upfront costs of Direct Connect, making it more practical for startups, SMBs, or teams with tighter budgets. Alright, that wraps up for our lesson and this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.